The recovery has been a bit erratic, depending, it really varies by market. But when you look at China as an example, just back in March, we were at 66% occupancy, which is same, if not marginally higher than 2019 levels. You look in other markets around the world where business, demand is coming back because restrictions have been eased. Case in point, US and Canada. Just in May, we hit over 55% occupancy. And as Europe starts to open up, into the summer with restrictions being eased again, we are seeing considerable lift in demand. Again, in some cases to well above 2019 levels. So our belief, Nancy, is that as soon as governments are able to contain the spread of the virus, restrictions are eased in many of these markets across Asia Pacific, demand will come back very, very strongly, like we're seeing in other countries. So we remain optimistic. And honestly, the fundamentals of travel have not really changed. People really want to get out and travel. There's considerable demand for leisure travel. We're also seeing certain corporate travel kick back in markets that have been well on their recovery, like China, for example. So from my perspective, I remain quite optimistic that business will bounce back as soon as governments are able to contain the virus and ease restrictions here. And finally, vaccinations are going to play a key role across Asia Pacific. We are seeing a number of governments now have the supplies. They're aggressively moving towards inoculating the local population. And as soon as they get to that 70-75% mark, they are in many cases telling us they're committed to opening up the economy.